Solo 1. Playing with patterns. In the following lessons, you'll learn to play the solo you just heard. We'll guide you step by step and start with a lower speed, and then we'll add speed as you develop. While learning the solo, try to see how all the notes come from the scale shape. Try to visualize the shape on your fretboard and notice how the solo fits inside it. This solo involves a couple of patterns from the previous lessons, so you can see how they can be used and how important patterns are when playing solos. Let's lower the speed and play that solo one more time. Notice how this solo is filled with the patterns from the previous lessons. So by combining a few patterns and adding some bends and notes, we have a great solo.